Welcome to another unboxing of food for the house. Hi my loves, welcome back again to the channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're well. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. I really appreciate it. Welcome to another unboxing of food for the house. And today I will be unboxing everything I went out to get. I have the receipt here because I know that I don't have every of the prices here because I was shocked when I went out. Like I had a plan of spending like 100,000 naira, but I ended up spending like 120,000 naira. And the annoying part is I didn't buy everything I wanted to get. So obviously I will still have to go out probably tomorrow, but not today any longer. Anyway, let's unbox. Here we have a carton of noodles. This was sold for 9,400 naira. If I'm not mistaken, I have to check the price here. I'm very correct. And we have a carton of Chivita Active 1 liter to be precise. It was sold for 15,500 naira. And here we have a pack of Coke that was sold for 4,400 naira. Here we have King's vegetable oil, 5 liters to be precise, which was sold for I think 19 something. Yeah, 19,300 naira. And now moving on, let's open what we have in this sack. Let's start from here. Okay. Away. Forgotten that there's something. Okay, so this is the receipt for this one. Here we have, let's start from Ayola Pandoyam. We have this. It was sold for 3,450 naira. It's not up to 1 kg. This is 900 gram. Here we have Bama that was sold for 4,000 naira. We have Milo that was sold for 3,500. We have CB spaghetti. Actually, I was looking for not the slim one, but they don't have. This is what they have. This was sold for 1,900 naira. And we have Mama's Pride, 2 pieces as well, which was sold for 1,900 naira. We have Gino Party Jollof was sold for 1,100 a roll. And we have Gino Pepper and Onion, which was sold for 1,000 naira. Here we have Mixi, which was sold for 5,700 naira. Per one was sold for 2,850 naira. And moving on, we have Clean. This is Clean detergent. Let me show you guys. Oops. It was sold for 1,800 naira. So for this nylon, we have 26,300 naira, and for this we have 29,000 kenekom. So moving on, what do we have? Oh, I do remember this. Thank God I checked. Okay, ginger and garlic plastic, 2,000 naira. No wonder. Like what the heck? Assuming I saw the, I would not even bother to get it. 2,000. How many grams is this? Hi. They did not even put gram. They are scammers. Like no gram. Hey, no wonder. I didn't even check. Honestly, I didn't check the price. Here we have sugar, and that is a bowl of sugar. It was sold for 3,200 naira. Yeah. No try and remove this. Here we have Gary oil. It was sold for 4,600 naira. A Congo was sold for 1,150 naira. The last time I got Gary, it was 900. That's like how much difference? That's like 250 naira difference on each Congo. Beautiful. Beautiful. Here we have beans. A Congo was sold for 2,700 naira, which we have 2 here. That's 5,400 naira. Then what do we have next? Here we have rice. This is quarter of a bag. A bag was sold for 72,000 naira. So quarter was sold for 18,000 naira. So that is all we have here. Everything here costs about 220,000 naira, which is crazy. Let's put all these inside their bowls and we continue. Forgot to show you guys this one, and this is what I got. I got a kg of gizzard. This is it, and sausage motivated entirely, and it's part of it. So this is it. This was sold for I think 2,500 if I'm not mistaken, and the gizzard was sold for maybe 6,000 naira. I'll put the right amount on the screen. So that is all we have.